Good morning, students. I'm Samatha, lecturer in chemistry. Okay, students, today we will discuss about Perkin reaction. In last class, we are completed aldol condensation reaction. Okay, today's session is Perkin reaction. The Perkin reaction is an organic reaction used to convert an aromatic aldehyde and an anhydride to an alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Okay, here in Perkin reaction, our desired product is alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Okay, Perkin reaction is an organic reaction used to convert an aromatic aldehyde and an anhydride to alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Okay, this reaction is used to convert the aromatic aldehyde or anhydride to alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. It is aldol condensation of an aromatic aldehyde and an acid anhydride which contain alpha hydrogen in the presence of an alkali salt of the acid. Okay, it is aldol condensation of an aromatic aldehyde and anhydride, acid anhydride, which are having alpha hydrogens in presence of alkali salt of the acid. The alkali salt acts as a base catalyst and other bases can be used instead as sodium acetate or potassium carbonate. Okay, here using alkali salts act as a base catalyst. Okay, here base catalysts are alkali salts here. Okay, alkali salts means sodium acetate or potassium carbonate, etc. These alkali salts are act as a base catalyst in Perkin reaction. Okay, Perkin reaction is an organic reaction and it is used to convert aromatic aldehyde and acid anhydride to alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Okay, it is also aldol condensation reaction. Aromatic aldehyde and acid anhydride both are having alpha hydrogens and react in presence of alkali base or alkali salt of the acid. Okay, here alkali salts act as a base catalyst here. Those alkali salts are sodium acetate or potassium carbonate. The Perkin reaction is an organic reaction and it is developed by William Henry Perkin that is used to make cinnamic acids. Okay, this Perkin reaction is developed by scientist name is William Henry Perkin. Okay, this Perkin reaction is developed by William Henry Perkin scientist. Okay, and it is used to make cinnamic acids. It gives an alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acid by the aldol condensation of an aromatic aldehyde and an acid anhydride in the presence of alkali salt of the acid. The alkali salt acts as a base catalyst and other bases can be used instead. Okay, this Perkin reaction is an organic reaction and it is developed by William Henry Perkin. Okay, this reaction is used to make cinnamic acids and it gives an alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acid. Okay, it is also aldol condensation of an aromatic aldehyde and acid anhydride in presence of alkali salt. Here alkali salts are act as a base catalyst. Okay, here this is the aromatic aldehyde and it is acid anhydride in presence of base. Okay, aromatic aldehyde plus acid anhydride react with each other in presence of base and give alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Okay, this is the main product in Perkin reaction. What is that? Alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid, and here another carboxylic acid is also formed as a byproduct. Okay, this is the Perkin reaction. What is that? Aromatic aldehyde react with acid anhydride in presence of base and form alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. The acid anhydride should have at least two alpha hydrogens. Mm, okay, here the acid anhydride should have at least two alpha hydrogens. Okay, here this is the aromatic aldehyde and it is acid anhydride. This acid anhydride should have at least two alpha hydrogens. Okay, aromatic aldehyde react with anhydride in presence of sodium acetate, base and acid and form alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Okay, this is the carboxylic acid functional group, and between alpha carbon and beta carbon double bond is present. Double bond means unsaturation. Okay, so alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid is formed. Okay, aromatic aldehyde react with anhydride in presence of base sodium acetate and give alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Mechanism reactions as follows. Some more examples. Okay, here examples are there. This is the furan to aldehydic functional group here. Okay, furan to aldehyde. Here acetic anhydride, sodium acetate. Okay, furanaldehyde to furanaldehyde react in presence of acetic anhydride, react with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate and form alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Okay, here this is the phthalic anhydride. Phthalic anhydride react with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate and form phthalate acid. Phthalate acetic acid. Okay, this is also alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Okay, phthalic anhydride and furanaldehyde react with acetic anhydrides in presence of sodium acetate and form alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acids. Okay, these all are examples for Perkin's reaction. Okay, here reaction mechanism involves first we are taking base na acetate ion. In presence of acetate ion, acid anhydride loses alpha hydrogen and form double bond here, and oxygen get negative charge. This oxygen negative charge again shifted to oxygen and carbon, and pi bond shifted and form a bond with aldehydic carbon. Okay, here like this intermediate compound is formed. Again this intermediate compound shifted its pi bonds and form like this. Okay, and oxygen get negative charge. This negative charge is attached to the anhydride carbon and form like this intermediate, and this intermediate in presence of acetate ion, acetate ion is bind with carbonyl carbon and form like this acetate derivative, and here one of the acetate ion is eliminates outside and form here carboxylate anion. In presence of hydrolysis, this oxygen get hydrogen and form alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Okay, this is the reaction mechanism. This reaction mechanism is initiated by the base, that is acetate ion ACO minus. Okay, this acetate ion initiate the reaction mechanism here. Okay, next schematic of Perkin reaction. Okay, here reagents aromatic aldehyde, anhydride, sodium acetate, base and acid work up. Product is a alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Okay, here schematic Perkin reaction means here the reagents which are participates in Perkin's reaction. What are they? First is aromatic aldehyde and anhydride, sodium acetate, and base and acid workup. Okay, these are the reagents participates in Perkin's reaction. Okay, here product is a alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Okay, product is in Perkin's reaction. What is it? Alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Okay, here example, this is a benzaldehyde. It is aromatic aldehyde. Anhydride is a acetic anhydride here. Okay, benzaldehyde react with acetic anhydride in presence of potassium acetate and form cinnamic acid. And here acetic acid is byproduct. Okay, this is the alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. This is carboxylic acid functional group, and it is alpha carbon and it is beta carbon. Okay, so alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid is formed. This is a cinnamic acid. Benzaldehyde react with acetic anhydride in presence of base, that is sodium acetate, and form cinnamic acid plus acetic acid. Okay, this is a example for Perkin's reaction. Even CB mechanism, when the poor leaving group such as hydroxy or alkoxy and another atom, typically a hydrogen, leave the molecule and no new atoms are added. This reaction occurs in basic condition. Okay, here even CB mechanism means when the poor leaving group and another atom leave the molecule and no new atoms are added, that is called as a even CB mechanism. That this occurs in basic condition. Okay, here this is the hydroxy group, hydrogen. Okay, here hydrogen removes outside, so in presence of hydroxy group OH minus, in presence of OH minus, this hydrogen comes outside and form water molecule. And here oxygen get negative charge. Okay, this negative charge shifted to here and this ethoxy groups eliminates outside and here form C double bond O group. Okay, this is called as even CB mechanism. Even CB is a two-step process. First, a base abstracts the most acidic proton to generate a stabilized anion. The lone pair of electrons on the anion then moves to the neighboring atom, thus expelling the leaving group and forming double bond. Okay, first what is occurs here? Base abstracts the most acidic proton to generate stabilized anion. Okay, in this reaction, first acidic hydrogen or acidic proton is eliminates outside in presence of base. Okay, base abstracts the most acidic proton and form enolate ion or anion. That anion is a more stabilized anion. The lone pair of electrons on the anion then moves to the neighboring atom, thus expelling the leaving group and forming double bond. Okay, in presence of base, most acidic proton eliminates outside and form anion. That anion lone pair of electrons shifted to the neighboring atom and it expelling the leaving group and form a double bond. Okay, this is a A1CB mechanism here. Okay, first this is the more acidic hydrogen in presence of base. This hydrogen eliminate outside and form anion here. This anion shifted to the adjacent atom and form double bond. Okay, this shifted to adjacent atom and here leaving group eliminates outside and here double bond is formed. Okay, this process is called E1CB mechanism. Okay, here Perkins reaction mechanism also same like that. This is the benzaldehyde and it is acetic anhydride. Okay, in presence of ethoxide ion, one of the alpha hydrogen of acetic anhydride removes outside and form anion. Okay, this anion is a stabilized anion. Next, this anion bind with aldehydic carbon and pi bond shifted to oxygen. Okay, here oxygen get negative charge, so one of the proton attached to oxygen and form hydroxy group. Here this acetic anhydride group is attached to the aromatic aldehydic carbon, okay, and form like this compound. Here one of the alpha hydrogen shifted electrons to the adjacent carbon and here leaving group comes outside hydroxy group. Okay, here water molecule is eliminates outside. Okay, water molecule is eliminates outside and form like this compound. Okay, next on hydrolysis acetic acid is eliminates outside and form cinnamic acid. Okay, this is the mechanism of benzaldehyde react with acetic anhydride and form cinnamic acid. Okay, here this is the mechanism. First, in presence of base, acetic anhydride loses one alpha hydrogen and form anion. This acetic anhydride anion is attached to the benzaldehyde carbonyl carbon and form one intermediate. This intermediate loses water molecule and form alpha beta unsaturated compound. This compound undergo hydrolysis and dissociates into cinnamic acid and acetic acid. Okay, here our main product is a cinnamic acid. This is the reaction mechanism of benzaldehyde and acetic anhydride. Okay, applications of Perkin reaction. In 1868, Perkin reported the synthesis of coumarin by the reaction of sodium salt of salicylaldehyde with acids, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-allergic, antiviral, and anti-carcinogenic activities. Okay, in 1868, this Perkin scientist reported the synthesis of coumarin by the reaction of sodium salt of salicylaldehyde. Okay, this Perkin scientist reported the synthesis of coumarin. This coumarin is used as a anti-inflammatory drug and antioxidant and anti-allergic, antiviral and anti-carcinogenic activities. Okay, this is having these are medical uses. Okay, one is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-allergic, antiviral, and anti-carcinogenic activities of coumarin was discovered by Perkin in 1868. Okay, here this is the salicylaldehyde react with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate and form like this compound. On hydrolysis, it is uh, dissociates into alpha hydroxy cinnamic acid and 2 moles of acetic acid. Okay, here this is a coumarin product. Okay, this coumarin is used as a anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, allergic, viral, and anti-carcinogenic properties. Okay, this coumarin is having like this properties. Okay, here hydroxy orthohydroxy cinnamic acid is formed now when salicylaldehyde react with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate. It is converted to orthohydroxycinnamic acid. On heating, this orthohydroxycinnamic acid loses water molecule and form coumarin. Okay, this coumarin is having more medical values or more medicinal properties. These are discovered by Perkin scientist in 1868. Okay, this is the one of the application of Perkin's reaction. Next is a warfarin. Warfarin is a anticoagulation in areas of slowly running blood, such as in veins and the pooled blood behind artificial and natural valves. Okay, another drug is warfarin. Warfarin is a anticoagulation drug in areas of slowly running blood. Okay, where the blood is running slowly, there is a warfarin drug used for anticoagulation. Okay, here this is a warfarin. This is the synthesis. These two are reactants, react with each other in presence of base and form warfarin. Warfarin is an anticoagulation drug. Okay, here mechanism of action does not affect thickness or viscosity of blood, decreases the proteins which allows blood to clot. Okay, warfarin mechanism of action is what? It is not affect thickness or viscosity of blood, and it is decreases the proteins which are helpful in the blood clot. So this warfarin decreases the proteins which are used to clotting the blood. That's why it is act as a anticoagulant drug. Okay, it is warfarin and it is vitamin K, oxidized vitamin K, reduced vitamin K in active form. This is active form. Okay, in active form of clotting factors and regulatory factors, protein C. Here clotting factors and regulatory factors, protein C. Okay, here warfarin act as a same like vitamin K, which is helpful in the anticoagulation. Okay, polydihydro ferulic acid a biorenewable thermoplastic copolymer. Okay, it is this is the vanillin. Vanillin react with acetic anhydride in presence of base and form acetyl ferulic acid. Okay, this acetyl ferulic acid react with hydrogen palladium and form acetyl dihydroferulic acid. Okay, this acetyl dihydroferulic acid react with zinc acetate and form polydihydroferulic acid. Okay, this dihydroferulic acid is a biorenewable thermoplastic copolymer. Okay, these are the medicinal applications of Perkins reaction. Okay, students, this is about Perkins reaction. Once again, we will discuss briefly what is Perkins reaction. Okay, Perkin reaction is an organic reaction used to convert an aromatic aldehyde and acid anhydride to form alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Okay, it is aldol condensation of aromatic aldehyde and an acid anhydride in presence of alkali salt. Here, alkali salt act as a base catalyst. Example: sodium acetate and potassium carbonate, etc. Perkin reaction is an organic reaction. It is developed by William Henry Perkin and it is used to make cinnamic acids and it gives alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acids by aldol condensation of an aromatic aldehyde and an acid anhydride in presence of alkali salt. Example here: aromatic aldehyde react with acetic anhydride in presence of base and form alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acids. Okay, mechanism: the acid anhydride should have at least 2 alpha hydrogens. Okay, aromatic aldehyde react with anhydride in presence of sodium acetate and form alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Mechanism reactions as follows. Some more examples here: furanaldehyde react with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate and form alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Same thalamide react with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate and form alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Okay, here complete Perkin reaction is initiated by the base, that is acetate ion here. First acetate ion, in presence of acetate ion, first acetic anhydride loses one alpha hydrogen and form anion. This anion attached to the aromatic aldehyde carbon and form reaction intermediate, and oxygen is having lone pair of electrons. This lone pair of electrons shifted to the adjacent atom and loses one group. Finally, on hydrolysis, it is converted to carboxylic acid. Okay, this is the mechanism of Perkin's reaction and schematic of Perkin reaction. In Perkin reaction, reagents are aromatic aldehyde, anhydride, sodium acetate, base and acid workup. Product is a alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. Okay, here aromatic aldehyde, what is here benzaldehyde, react with acetic anhydride in presence of potassium acetate and form alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid plus acetic acid. Okay, here alpha beta unsaturated acid is a cinnamic acid here. And it involves C1CB mechanism when the poor leaving group such as hydroxy or alkoxy group and another atom leave the molecule and no new atoms are added, and it is occurs in basic condition. Okay, here in presence of hydroxy group loses hydrogen and oxygen get negative charge. This negative charge shifted to the adjacent atom and loses leaving group. Okay, this is the even-CB mechanism. First, a base abstracts the most acidic proton to generate a stabilized anion. The lone pair of electrons on the anion then moves to the neighboring atom, thus expelling the leaving group and forming double bond. Okay, here first, in presence of base, the most acidic proton is removed outside and form a anion. This anion negative charge is shifted to the adjacent atom or neighboring atom, thus expelling the leaving group and forming the double bond. Okay, here mechanism, benzaldehyde react with acetic anhydride in presence of ethoxide. Here in presence of ethoxide, first acetic anhydride loses one alpha hydrogen and form anion. This acetic anhydride anion attached to the benzaldehyde carbon and form intermediate. This loses water molecule and form alpha beta unsaturated product. On hydrolysis, it is formed to cinnamic acid and acetic acid. Okay, this is the mechanism of benzaldehyde plus acetic anhydride. Product is cinnamic acid. Okay, applications of Perkin's reaction. In 1868, Perkin reported the synthesis of coumarin. Okay, this coumarin is an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-allergic, antiviral, and anti-carcinogenic activities. This coumarin is having these type of activities. Okay, this coumarin is produced from the salicylaldehyde and acetic anhydride. Okay, salicylaldehyde react with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate and form orthohydroxycinnamic acid. Okay, this orthohydroxycinnamic acid on heating, it loses water molecule and form coumarin. Okay, this is the medicinal values having coumarin was synthesized by Perkin scientist in 1868. Okay, next is a warfarin. Warfarin is a anticoagulant activities. This warfarin is having anticoagulant activities. Okay, this is also synthesized from two compounds by using of Perkin reactions. Warfarin is produced mechanism of action. This warfarin is decreases the proteins. These proteins, which proteins are help in blood clotting. These proteins are decreased by warfarin. That's why it is act as a anticoagulant drug. Okay, and last is a polydihydroferrulic acid. Okay, this dihydroferrulic acid is a renewable thermoplastic copolymer. It is prepared by vanillin. Vanillin react with acetic anhydride in presence of base and form acetyl ferulic acid. This acetyl ferulic acid undergo reduction with hydrogen palladium and form acetyl dihydroferrulic acid. This acetyl dihydroferrulic acid in presence of zinc acetate, it is converted to polydihydroferrulic acid plus acetic acid. Okay, this dihydroferrulic acid is a biorenewable thermoplastic copolymer. Okay, these all are the applications of Perkin's reaction. Okay, first is a coumarin, and second is a warfarin, and third is a dihydroferrulic acid. Okay, these three are having medicinal activities. Okay, these are prepared by Perkin by using of Perkin's reactions. Okay, these all are the applications. First, what is Perkin reaction and mechanism? Example, benzaldehyde react with acetic anhydride and form cinnamic acid, and we have discussed mechanism also, and we have completed applications of Perkins reaction also. Okay students, hope you understood. Thank you.